Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on make.com and HubSpot integration tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically send leads from a web form into your HubSpot CRM and trigger a follow-up email, all without writing a single line of code. Let's dive in. The first thing is, guys, that we can actually start a free trial on make.com. So let's actually do that. Let's click on get started for free. Now just sign up with your Google account and create an account following the steps that they give you. Now guys, we're going to be welcome to this dashboard in here, and what we have to do is we have to create a new scenario. Okay, this is going to be basically our benchmark where we can start, to pick up templates or to create an automation tool from scratch. Okay, so let's just do this in here. We can, start with a template, but in this case, I want to build something from scratch to show you how it works. Okay, so let's click in here. And now we basically have to start searching by our trigger app, which in this case is going to be webhooks. All right. So let's just click in here. I'm just going to click on this plus icon, and that's going to build, or that's going to create our first step, which is going to be the trigger app. And I'm going to select webhooks. Amazing. And now we're basically going to use a custom webhook to simulate a form submission. Okay. So what are we going to do is we're going to click on custom webhook. All right, guys, let's click in here. Amazing. And let's also click, by the way, on create a new webhook. All right, let's click in here. After that, you basically have to copy this big link, okay, to your clipboard in order to be able to pass it later. Okay, this is going to be essential. And you're going to need this for later, okay, for the future steps. So let's just copy this address to clipboard. There we go. And now just click on save here. Now guys, what's going to happen is that this link is going to start listening to us, okay? It's going to start listening to the data structure that we send. So what you want to do is you basically want to open a tool such as, Webflow, Typeform, or even you can just simulate this using a Postman, okay? But what you need to do in any case with these tools is basically like a post request. This is basically going to send the kind of information that you want to send to this link. Okay, the kind of form that you want to create. So you have to, for example, let's say that you want to request the email, the first name and the last mail in your form. You have to paste, the webhook URL, which is what we copied before, this one here. And you have to send the following test data, okay? I'm just gonna, write this here, but you have basically your email, which has to be like in quotes, email. And then we have to send like an example, okay, which is going to be, for example, I don't know, janedoe@example.com. Okay, that's going to be like, the first part of our form. And then similarly, we have to do the same, but with, the first name, which in this case is going to be Jane, and the last name, which in this case is going to be Doe. Okay. And now we have to close this. Okay, so just copy this in here. Just copy paste this, just paste the webhook URL and send this as a data example, okay? And what's going to happen is that this webhook is going to recognize this structure and is going to create a form based on that, on the email, on the first name and the last name, okay? So that's pretty much it. Now let's just click on save, and now I want you to add another module, which is going to be, in this case, HubSpot, okay? HubSpot CRM. Amazing. And now what we want to do is we want to search for the option that says create or update contact, as we can see in here. Amazing. And now we simply have to log into the HubSpot account when prompted. Okay, so let's just click in here. Let's click on create a connection. And now you're going to be asked to sign into your HubSpot account. Okay, this is pretty simple, but just do it. Once you're connected, you're going to have to basically map the email, the first name and the last name from your webhook data, okay, which should be here. It should be saved now here, so you're going to be able to map it very, very easily. Now, what are we going to do, guys, is we're going to send a welcome email when the lead is added. So let's just click on add another module yet again. We're going to click on, HubSpot again. Let's look for HubSpot. Okay, we're going to basically send an email. Okay, so send a single email. Let's click for email. Okay, create an email. Amazing. Once again, it's just going to ask you to log in. And the only thing that you have to do is you have to select the template you want and map the recipient's email from the webhook. So how are you going to test this, guys? It's very simple. You're just going to have to click on run once. and you're gonna have to resend the webhook and the form submission. Okay, you can do this manually, and you can watch the scenario run live with green check marks. Okay, so it's very simple. So that's pretty much it. You have now built a complete automated pipeline between your form and HubSpot. And you can extend this with different conditions, delays, or even SMS notification using Make's other models. This is gonna allow you basically to, whenever you receive a form from a lead, to send him an email through HubSpot, okay, which is amazing. Thank you so much, guys.